10 steps. That's all it takes. Not just to cross the shop floor, but to cross a line in how we think, act, and show up for each other. This isn't a dramatization. This isn't theory. This is real. About 6 months ago, things were different. Safety, for a lot of folks, it felt like a joke, a chore. It wasn't hate. It was habit. Checklists without context, posters without purpose. But something shifted. We didn't force it, we earned it. It started small. Someone spoke up, someone stepped in. Hey, take 5, I got this. And now, we're seeing the difference, fixing the little things before they turn into big things. This isn't about rules. This is about getting home, so you can get to what matters. Maybe it's your kid's game, or peace and quiet with your dog. Maybe it's that project car you've been wrenching on for weeks. Maybe a grill full of ribs. Maybe it's that lake trip you've been talking about for months. Rods packed, cooler loaded, early start. Whatever it is, safety protects it. And we're building it here. It's happening right now. We'll be getting into real stories soon. But this is the foundation. Not on my watch. Not when I've got plans tonight. Not today. This is 10-Step Safety. If this message hits home, subscribe, share it. Let someone else hear what's possible.